Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to do 1-inch margins on Google Docs. So you can see right here, this document does not have any margins. Very easy to fix. You just come in at the top left, click on File, okay? Scroll down here, and I need you to click on Page Setup. Now, we'll go and apply this to the whole document, and if you want to select a certain page, you can go ahead and do that. Just highlight that page. I'll do this for the whole document. I'll put my paper size to be A4. And here we go. These are the margins. So from the top, I would like 1 inch. So I'll just type in 1. From the bottom as well, 1 inch. From the left, 1 inch. And right as well. Okay. And then I'll just go ahead and click on OK. Let's see. We have changed the margins. So we have a 1 inch margin from each side, as you can see. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.